the things that they did have created a rift in your heart, and it's too wide to span. I am only one man, and my efforts have torn us apart. I gave you all that a lover could give, and yet you couldn't let me inside. You said that you cared, that the feelings were there, but behind a wall where they hide. And I don't know what more I could have done to heal your heart. I want to hurt the ones who've hurt you. I want to really make them pay. I want to hurt the ones who've hurt you for stealing our chance at love away. I gave you a ring and I wrote you a song, and I tattooed your heart on my hand. Then I looked in your eyes and hoped for a sign that you loved your man. I sang of our love from the tops of the trees, and I wrote both our names in the skies. Yet on the face of a book you advanced all the rooks, yet you left your king to die. And I don't know what more I could have done to heal your heart. I want to hurt the ones who hurt you. I want to really make them pay. I want to hurt the ones who've hurt you for stealing our chance at love away. I want to hurt the ones who hurt you. I want to dearly make them pay. I want to hurt the ones who hurt you for stealing our chance at love away. I suppose this is really goodbye. God, I hope that you saw how I tried, and I envy the man who'll be holding your hand on that day your demons die. I wish you all that love has to give. It's around you just all of the time. 'Cause love is a thing, like a bird on the wing. Once you break that cage inside, and I don't know what more I could have done to heal your heart. I want to hurt the ones who hurt you. I want to really make them pay. I want to hurt the ones who hurt you for stealing our chance at love away. I want to hurt the ones who've hurt you. I want to kill them with a ray.